Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start right away. Remove the mechanical key and set it aside. Use the small flathead or plastic pry tool at the notch. Apply gentle, steady pressure to split the seam. Once the halves separate, note the orientation of the old CR 2032 cell so you install the new one the same way. Keep small springs or plastic clips in place. Do not dislodge them. This step matters because correct opening prevents broken clips and ensures the internal contacts stay aligned. Once the old battery is out, inspect both metal contacts and the spring. Corrosion or debris can stop the fob from working. You clean lightly with a cotton swab and 70–90% isopropyl alcohol, then let it dry. Insert the new CR 2032 with the plus sign facing the same direction as the original. Make sure the battery is seated flat and the contact clips press it firmly. Loose seating causes intermittent failures. Close the halves gently while keeping components aligned. You snap the shell closed, pressing along the seam until you hear an audible click, then reinsert the mechanical key. Once done, stand near the car and press lock, unlock, and trunk buttons to confirm functionality. Check range and LED if present. If the fob fails, make sure the battery orientation is correct and contacts are clean. Reseat the battery and try again. A single troubleshooting tip: if the LED lights but the car does not respond, reprogramming or dealer diagnostics may be needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.